Hi, so I have a new unboxing today. There is one small package and this, and I think this will be the JYJ Star Collection cards. So let me start with this. Oh, by the way, some of my stuff came to my friend instead, since sometimes we, order things to my address and sometimes to her. So now I am missing a few cards from my collection that are waiting for me. But okay, so alright. This is the Baro card. Yeah, I am working hard on the B1A4 collection. So yeah, okay, this is the card. And I am very happy I've got it. Okay, I will put it here. And let me unpack this. I think I've ordered lightstick together with it. So let me check. Okay, oh my god. So here are the socks. Okay, so I got those two. I think it's Mickey and Jejong, but I'm not sure. Okay, those are the two I've got. And here's the light stick. Oh wow, this is this is a little bigger than I expected. Usually the light sticks are a little smaller. Yeah, it shines. Okay, how do I turn it off? Okay, okay, I will need to work with this. It's nice and it's big and there are hearts here. So yeah, I'm happy I've got it because I didn't have JYJ or even Dot Banchingi light stick and I wanted one, so yay! And now to the collection. This is the B set. I'm going backwards. I've ordered the C set first and now I've ordered the B one, but I'm not sure if the cards are different or it's just because the prices are the same, or it is just the box like this that is different. I'm not sure. You are then supposed to put it like this, you see. It will stay like this. So let me see the cards. I usually take this out and leave it like this, and I put some K-pop stuff in there. You can see that I have one there. I have K-pop wristbands in it. Okay. So, all right. Oh my god. Oh. I'm sorry. I'm really clumsy. Okay, so there is no Mickey. Why? Okay, never mind. Let me start with Junsu first. So here are the cards. Oh yeah, Mickey. It's with the special stuff. Group card. Junsu. And this is both sides. Jejong. Jansu. Here are information about him. Okay. Oh, signature. Yechunam. I love them all, really. Another one with the signature. And Jejong. I think that they have like really nice photos in the Star collection, and I think I prefer it over Super Junior, because in Super Junior there are some sets that have like really magnificent photos, but then there are some that I don't really like that much. And when it comes to Super Junior, because it has so many members, there are members that I do not like as much as the others, so you know, it doesn't complete me as much as completing this collection, since I prefer like everyone in the group. And like honestly, they have 3 times the number of cards as Super Junior in the Stark collection, but I think that all the cards, I'm sorry, but I think that all the cards are really like the are really, you know, nice. They look very handsome, and I really like it. But I think that I will really like collect this for years, because it has just too many photos. When you order a set, like cards can come more than once, even in like one pack like this, there can be 2 same cards. It's rare, but it can happen because they are put in randomly. So you never know what cards will you get, or how are they sorted out, you know, like it doesn't matter that, let's say, a group is on the front page. That doesn't mean that the group cards will be inside. As you could see, you know, they just put whatever. So, oh yeah, signature. I love the cards with the signature. The suit. Watch. I really love his dramas. I mean, he's such an amazing actor for an idol. You know, he really acts well, and I enjoyed his dramas. I mean, I think he picked them very well, or whoever picked the dramas for him. I think he made the right choice, because I enjoyed all of them. Well, except for the Missing You. I hated the drama. Like, really. I hated the drama. Oh yeah, this is a very nice card. Shiny. And I mean, not that Yeochun wouldn't be awesome in the Missing You drama, he was, but I really love Yu Seung-ho, and what they did to his character I mean, yeah. It put me in a very, very bad mood. But nevertheless, I still watch the drama. So... and I am very excited for the Jejong album, and there is a pre-order already. I haven't done it yet because I cannot decide what CD I want to order together with his full album coming out. And I think I think I will order the first album of C and Blue, the Blue Etory. Come on. Because I really like C and Blue, and with the new drama of Yonghwa, I am completely in a C and Blue mode. So yeah, his signature. Yes. But I think that ordering his new album together with maybe the C and Blue, I'm not sure which CD I will go for in the end. I think there will be my last order for some time because I really need to save up for my trips for the concert, and I want to buy some photo books, maybe even CDs or DVDs in the Korean like K-pop shops in Paris. So yeah, I need to save up. Okay, so as you can see that there are some cards that came more, but I will be sending those to my friend that but not the one that I ordered stuff with, to another one, because she is a very big Casey, and I hope, and her bias is Junsu, so I hope that I will make her happy with some cards. And yeah, there is that secret Santa Casey project that I've talked about already, but I am reminding you again because the deadline is now to move to the 1st of November. So please register. Maybe you can get me as your secret Santa and you will get some of these awesome cards. Well, not this one, but oh my god, this is honestly awesome. But the ones that I have like an extras, maybe I will send it to you. So so yeah. The signature. I'm very excited for the project, and I honestly hope that it will be a success. So as for now, I think there are only almost 30 cases registered, which is not that many considering how big of a fan base Cassiopeia is. So from all over the world, I think there are not even 30 fans that wanted to participate as well. It's another shining card. So yeah, I'm sorry I'm a little like laid back today, but my voice is not very good. So I'm trying to talk a bit like low key. Oh, Janhe. Okay, so that would be all for today. So look forward to the next few unboxing, but there will, like, only a few are coming and then there will be a break. So have a nice day. Bye bye.